Introducing Cairo Hardware Info, the easy way to get a complete snapshot of your computer's hardware in seconds. Developed by CairoSoftware, this tool offers clear and accurate details about your system's core components without any hassle. With just one click, you can instantly see your CPU specs, memory size, storage type, graphics card info, and operating system version. Everything is displayed in a clean, organized interface that's perfect for both everyday users and professionals. Cairo Hardware Info pulls data directly from trusted system sources, ensuring reliable and precise results while keeping your computer running smoothly. It also shows BIOS details, storage setup, and real-time resource usage for a full overview of your system's health. Simple, reliable, and efficient. Cairo Hardware. Info is the smart choice for understanding your computer inside and out. Visit viewdo.cairosoftware.com to learn more and download today.